this is Tony. Today I was asked about the almond extract that I made from peach pits and whether or not I was satisfied with the end result. And to tell you the truth, I haven't even looked at it since I made it. I do have some store purchased almond extract to compare it to, and we're going to look at this today. So I've got all my homemade extracts in this box, and I'm going to pull them all out, and we'll do the smell test. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is eliminate my other extracts. These ones here are anise, and they turned out very nice. Now the anise I will use to make pizzellis. So a little bit of anise extract there. The other one that I know is turned out really well because I've used it is my vanilla extract, and vanilla is very easy to make. You just put a vanilla bean, cut it open or cut it in half and stick it in the alcohol and let it sit, and the longer you let it sit, the more it strengthens. So there's my vanilla extract, and I'm going to give this the smell test. Boy, that was tight. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. And I did have a little bit extra that went into a second bottle. Now the other ones that I made were lemon and orange. So there's lemon and orange. So the lemon turned out quite nice. It's got a fairly strong lemon scent to it. And the orange is quite the same. Oh yes, that's nice. Okay, so now we're left with the almonds. And I believe that this one is the peach pits. Not terribly thrilled with that one. And I believe this one as well was peach pits. Mild, perhaps, not quite. You see, I have this to compare it to, and I know pretty strong, heady smell, and those are nothing like this. So my third one, I believe, was actually almonds. Those two were the peach pits, I believe, and this one was the almond. And this one is probably the closest. It's still way too mild. I would consider this a fail. So these three will probably get tossed. And unfortunately, to make lemon extract, to make almond extract, you need bitter almonds to make the true stuff. And this one is, the ingredients are oil of bitter almonds and alcohol. That's all that they use to make this. So if you had either oil of bitter almonds or bitter almonds, you could make this exactly the same as what you can buy from the store. But unfortunately, I believe that bitter almonds are poisonous in small quantities even, so they're very cautious about allowing that into the market at all in any way, so you can't buy it. So I'm afraid that homemade almond extract it doesn't work for me. The closest one, and surprisingly, was the using almonds. I thought the peach pits would be closer. They're being touted as working. I don't find that they work. Whereas my other ones here, my vanilla, my anise, lemon, and orange, all turned out quite nice. I'm very pleased with the results of these. So that's it. It My homemade almond extract is a fail. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great day.